Okay, so let's look at the next cut, which will be something I call scoring cuts. They're essentially the first thing you do when you trying to dice an onion, or maybe the second actually. So I've got my ball of dough. All I'm going to do is slice it in half, and well, actually first, this represents an onion. So just slicing it in half. And when you're dicing an onion, the first thing you do with this half is make cuts along here. But you're not cutting all the way to the end like here. You're cutting just so there's about half a centimetre in from the edge. So this is a good way of practicing that. So just take the knife, guiding hand on, and we're just going to go through like so. Like that. Easy peasy. Now I did say in the last video to slice, not press. It's a little bit more tricky with this because just the mechanics of the cut, like you do end up. The way I do it is I sort of poke the end of the blade in first to get that down, and then pull back. And that makes it a bit easier. But yeah, so this technique is only really used for onions and maybe garlic, but it's used a lot because we cook with onions all the time, so it's useful to know.